Hello friends, welcome to my channel How To. In this video tutorial, I am going to explain how to install SonarLint extension in Visual Studio. So let's start. So first of all, what is SonarLint extension and what is the use of this extension? So SonarLint is a free IDE extension that empowers you to fix the coding issues before they exist. So while writing your code, it detects and highlights the issues that can lead to the bugs, vulnerabilities and code smells that you create while writing your code. So it is a very good extension that will improve your code quality. So let's see how to install it. First of all, open your Visual Studio. Once you open your Visual Studio, over here you can see the interface like this. And here is the menu called as extension. So click on the extension menu. Then over here you can see the another menu called as manage extensions. So click on the menu, then go to the online option, then go to the search option, and in the search type for SonarLint. So over here you can see SonarLint for Visual Studio 2022. So click on download. Over here you can see downloading is in progress. Over here you can see the message, your changes will be scheduled. The modification will begin when all your Microsoft Visual Studio are closed. So click on the close, and to reflect the changes, first of all close your Visual Studio. It is initializing it. Then click on modify. Now it is installing the SonarLint extension on your system. And over here you can see the message modification complete. So it has successfully installed the SonarLint extension on our system. So click on the close. Now open your Visual Studio. Now open your code or application. And over here you can see the message SonarLint finish analyzing the file. So now SonarLint will analyze our code and will give you the suggestions or any code smells or vulnerabilities that it has detected. So if you go to the extension, here you can see the SonarLint and it is now enabled. So in this way, over here you can see there is one suggestion called as add protected constructor or static keyword to the class declaration. So in this way it will give you suggestions whenever you will type your code or whenever you will write your code. So in this way we can download and install SonarLint extension in Visual Studio. So that's all. Thanks for watching my video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel How To. Thanks a lot.